Hey everyone, welcome back to another helpful video. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw money from a Forex account in 2025. If you've been trading Forex and finally want to cash out your profits, you're in the right place. This process has evolved with new regulations and tech updates, so let's break it down step by step to make it super easy for you. First things first, before you withdraw, ensure your account is verified and in good standing. Most Forex brokers require this to prevent fraud. Log into your trading platform, whether it's MetaTrader, CTrader, or another app, and head to the dashboard. Look for the Withdraw Funds, or Wallet, section, usually found in the menu or under your account settings. Next, select your preferred withdrawal method. In 2025, options like bank transfers, e-wallets such as PayPal or Skrill, and even cryptocurrencies are common. Choose wisely based on fees and processing times. For example, bank transfers might take 3 to 5 business days, while e-wallets could be instant. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Double-check that it doesn't exceed your available balance, and be aware of any minimum withdrawal limits set by your broker. You'll then need to verify the transaction. This often involves a two-factor authentication code sent to your phone or email for security. After submission, keep an eye on your email for confirmations and any additional requirements, like uploading ID if it's your first withdrawal. Pro tip: always monitor for fees. Some brokers charge a percentage, so calculate that upfront to avoid surprises. Once processed, the funds should appear in your chosen account. Remember, withdrawing during market volatility might affect your trades, so plan ahead. If you run into issues, contact your broker's support, they're there to help. There you have it, folks. Withdrawing from your Forex account doesn't have to be complicated. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more trading tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay smart, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.